How to post a job in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find or post jobs on Facebook. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application or your Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, and then make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now go to the search icon in the top right corner of the screen that is beside the messages option. And once you do that, in the search bar, type in job vacancies available right now. You will see numerous and different job opportunities available. You can go through it, or you can also go through specific groups, join them, visit them, and then simply post a job vacancy over here. In this way, you will be able to post or find job vacancies on Facebook. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can find or post jobs on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.